Doing well. So my work was on efficient facial and motion recognition ro- robot deployment. So emotion recognition is very important for to humans. We speak to each other in a certain way depending on each other's emotions. Uh, so applying that to a robot can respond and speak in a certain way to a person to help them or comfort them. And currently, most systems that have been created run on separate machines, which can add latency and make the interaction slower overall. Uh, so I tested uh, multiple different models. So it works by doing a face detection first, cropping the image, and then feeding that to a different model to do the emotion recognition. Tested hair cascade, which most people are still using today, even though it is very old at this point. I also trained a YOLO model and a tiny YOLO model on the wider face data set to try and improve detection accuracy. On the right, you can see the number of detections that were done on a particular data set. And you can see that the tiny YOLO and the YOLO model far outperformed the hair cascade and DLIB. Then the key results of this were obviously the slower models, YOLO and ResNet 50, were the most accurate, but incredibly slow. You don't expect someone to take 8 seconds to respond to you after you've spoken to them. Then the best trade-off visually is the one in the middle, the tiny YOLO plus MobileNet V2. It achieves high accuracy with quite low inference time. If you do for faster inference time, the hair cascade does still perform very well. And it's in fact faster than tiny YOLO. Specifically on slower machines, the faster your machine is, tiny YOLO will actually start to outperform hair cascade in terms of speed. And unfortunately, DLIB is wildly inaccurate to be reliable. Thank you very much.
No question?
No questions yet?
Okay. Okay. So in terms of the trade-off between the accuracy and the latency, do you see any? So it depends on the application if that is important, isn't it? So do you see like any applications where one is preferred other than the other?
So not really. I feel like if you're doing a normal interaction, the faster it is, the better, but you also want to be accurate. The incredibly slow one could be useful if it's maybe just a chatbot that has a camera on it. So you're not expecting just a chatbot that you type to be that fast, but normal human-robot interaction. Either the fastest one, if you're not too bothered about accuracy, but yeah, the middle one with the highest accuracy.
Thank you.